Right.
Steven, do you want to help me put this on?
Like everywhere else in the world, it's people with ways and means, and it's people without them. But you have to be there to all the people, no matter what. Everybody needs support and love in these moments. Wealthy or not, poor or not, it's the right thing to do. So you try to make sure nobody is left behind, nobody is forgotten.
Chicken bowl? Chicken? Chicken on shrimp, sir. Yeah, sir, thank you. Well, what can I have for you? Anything yourself? What do we got? Chicken shrimp. Chicken shrimp. Yeah, chicken. Thank you, sir. Good. Hello. Chicken.
Oh, so you're already eating up there.
My good friend Sambi, the CEO of my company, lost his home. I didn't see him yet. We've been talking. He's okay, thanks God. His family is okay. But you feel like by being here is a way to show love, respect, empathy.
All right, we're from Reuters.
Yeah, right.
Climate change is real. If somebody wants to say it's not, just tell me. It's more hurricanes in the last 15 years we've ever seen. It's more typhoons, more floods. We've been in Nashville, in North Carolina, where the devastating floods there. I just came from Valencia, the devastating floods there. Never seen before, 150,000 cars destroyed in 1 hour. So, you know, you can say these things are happening randomly, but climate change has a lot to do with it. So.
You told me you were quick.
They don't want me. It's floodings and it's fires and it's hurricanes equally. Are you going to blame the political party in that moment? Can we stop blaming and can we start all building, working together, bringing the best out of all of us and creating good policy that happens is good politics? Politics for the sake of politics is finger pointing at the failures of others, which at the end happens are your own failures because you didn't do anything about it when you were in power too. So let's fix it. So let's make sure that we don't forget the people of Puerto Rico or the people of Katrina or the people of North Carolina or the people. Let's make sure that we put politics aside and just we take care of the people and solve the problems one plate of food at a time. I think everybody will agree with me on that. These are the people. Good job. We have another one in it.
Can I get chicken wings?
There is where you guys are.
And then, can I also?